Assalamu alaikum, I'm Engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to use hatch command in AutoCAD. On the screen right now, you can see two rectangles. One rectangle is made up of polylines. That means that it is being treated as a single element by AutoCAD. And on the other side, you can see another rectangle that is made up of four different lines. Both of these rectangles are closed boundary. It means that we can use hatch command on both of these rectangles. To activate the hatch command, you can go to the draw panel in home tab and you have an icon for hatch tool. You can select the hatch or gradient option from here, or you can simply use its alias H. Press enter. AutoCAD is asking you to select the object. If you have an object that is made up of polyline, you can select that object. Another option is to pick internal point. Pick internal option works for both. If you have a closed object made up of polyline, or if you have a closed object that is made up of separate lines. So either pick the internal point, or you can use the option of select objects. Select objects works well if the closed boundary is made up of polyline. If the closed boundary is made up of separate lines, then you have to select all the lines one by one to apply the hatch command on that. Once you apply the hatch command, you can modify its properties using these options on the top. In the pattern panel, you can select the pattern that you want your object to be filled with. So all these patterns represent some material. For example, this pattern represents brick. This pattern represents concrete. This pattern represents earthwork. So you can select any of the patterns that you want. Let's select this. So you can see that this object has been filled with the selected pattern. You can change its color. Let's change it to brown. You can set its angle. You can increase or decrease its scale. Once you are done, you can simply click on close hatch creation. Let's activate the hatch command again. Select the object, or you can use the option of pick internal point. So you can pick the internal point of the object that you want to hatch. From the properties panel, you can change this pattern option to either gradient, or you can change it to solid. Let's go with the gradient. In gradient option, you have an option to select two colors. So you can select color number 1 and you can select color number 2. From the pattern, from the pattern panel, you can select any of these patterns. You can set its angle and you can set the transparency. So you can make it transparent or you can make it opaque. Once you're done, you can simply click close hatch creation.